wondering if I'ma ever blow. Middle ground, tearing at the fabric of my soul. Middle ground, feeling like I'm stuck up in a hole, and these insecurities follow everywhere I go. Middle ground, feeling like I'm barely getting by.
Alright, what is up, and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're gonna go ahead and do is a sewing machine. So we have all the parts back there. We're just gonna go ahead and do them in gloss black. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, we got the parts out the sandblaster, so let's go ahead and lay some powder, throw them in the oven, and see how they come out. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got the sewing machine out of the B17. Now they're ready for sandblast, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the sandblaster, do a few of these parts on camera, and then do the rest of them behind the scenes. Cut you guys back in when we're powder coating, and then you already know the deal. Throw them in the oven, show you guys how they come out. So let's go ahead and keep going with this video. All right, so we went ahead and took these out the oven and they look sick. We have them right here taking pictures for our Instagram, but before we go ahead and get these wrapped up, I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you how they came out. This metal was really pitted and textured, so we had to go in and sandblast it a little more to make sure. But for how pitted it was, this thing came out glass. But y'all already know the deal. Ain't nothing changed.
Hang around killers with racks on me. I done made me some plays and put tax on it. It feel good to come all the way back from it. When you up, they gon' say that you act funny.